Morning guys. So I had my car booked in for the 13th of December to get the wing mirrors replaced because of the creaking issue, but that didn't happen because Nissan rang me and they said they didn't have the part, it wasn't in stock, so we just have to reschedule it for another time, which I don't think it'll be this year. It'll probably be next year now, it'll be Christmas and everything, so I'll just have to wait for that. But I've noticed that I've got another wing mirror issue. So the issue is when the car's locked, the wing mirrors are folded in. But when I unlock the car, sit in the car, press the ignition button, they both should then fold out. But only the driver's side folds out. The near side stays folded in. So what I then have to do is press the wing mirror folding button to then fold it out. So the motor works. And if I press the button again, it folds it in. Press it again, folds it out. Works 100% of the time. It's only that initial first startup that doesn't work. I have had it when both the wing mirrors don't fold out, but I've only had it once. Whereas the passenger side doesn't fold out 100% of the time. So not sure why it's doing that, because the motor itself works fine. So when I take it into Nissan to get their wing mirrors replaced, I'll tell them that as well. It seems to have a lot of wing mirror issues, this car. Not sure if the folding one's a common issue, because I googled it and nothing really come back. Whereas the creaking issue seems to be a common issue across not just the new leaves but the previous leaves as well. Come to think of it, that issue started when I put the dash cam in, so I wonder if that's got something to do with it. I wouldn't have thought so, because why would it? Unless if it's not enough voltage going to it. But anyway, I'll take it to Nissan when I can and see what they say.